So you own a seat of PV ELITE, and you're now asking the question, why should I have the most latest? Well, I want to give you a couple of reasons why you should reinstate yourself back on maintenance and be using the most latest version of PV ELITE. Today, I'm also going to sneak into Geoff's office, which is our pre-sales technical manager, and I'm going to ask him why there's any reasons why subscribers and users like yourself should be using the most latest version of PV ELITE. Coming up next. All right, let's go ask my pre-sales technical expert manager, Geoff, about why you should get reinstated on your maintenance for PV ELITE, because I tell you what, that's probably really important, but let's go do that. I think he's in his office right now. So let me go in here. I think there's some guys back there talking, but okay. I think this is his office. Let me go check.
Yeah, they can model however they want. Anytime. Yeah, the GT Strudel users will love that. I'll have to let you go. Our account manager for analysis products, Mando, just walked into my office. Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
But if I don't give him some attention now, he'll never leave. You know, those sales guys can be persistent. I'll catch up.
Yes, we can.
What can I do for you, Mando?
Well, Geoff, I wanted to let our viewers know and our subscribers to know why they should reinstate their maintenance for PV ELITE. What's the purpose, other than just like, hey, I got to update my maintenance, but there's got to be something, a reason why.
Sure. There's actually several reasons why. The first one being it's an engineering application, and unlike CAD tools, engineers are forced to design to current codes, and ASME likes to update their design codes annually. So each year, our development team spends quite a bit of time making sure that the codes get updated to the latest version. So when the new version of PV ELITE comes out in the spring, it addresses all those new design codes per the ASME requirements.
Sweet, man, that's good. Is there anything else?
Well, sure. There's also the fact that every year we try to add some updated productivity tools for the engineers to use. Things like adding old material tables so that engineers will be able to not have to spend time looking up historical information. They can actually just get the material tables in values right out of the software. Or things like in PV ELITE 2019, you're going to see that there's some artificial intelligence built in that'll help engineers so that every time they start a new file, PV ELITE will remember some of their preferred values for some of the default fields, so they won't have to fill that out time and time again.
Sweet, man, you're on a roll. Keep going. I should call you Butter because you're on a roll. All right, keep going. What's something else?
There's also every year we try to add some new analysis functionality. Recently we added the API 579 analysis for all the owner operators that need to re-rate or reevaluate or repurpose pressure vessels. Or coming in 2019 for some international users, we've added the Japanese wind codes, and so they can do analysis per those codes.
That's sweet. Is there anything else? Maybe one more thing. One more that's just probably a really cool thing.
Well,
cool
a huge thing that we do is work with interoperability improvements, and so recently we've done a lot for fabricators so that now if they're using an Autodesk Inventor or SolidWorks modeling platform for their pressure vessels, they can automatically read the PV ELITE file into that environment. So there is this PV ELITE data import plugin that works for Autodesk Inventor and SolidWorks. You can open a native PV ELITE file directly in that modeling environment. Because everything is a native modeling item, you can open each part individually in that modeling platform, and it behaves as if it was built by that user in either Inventor or SolidWorks. Additionally, there's overall global data that is available for the assembly and the custom tab. All the properties are available when generating drawings in Inventor. The nozzle schedules can be generated using a part list functions in Inventor or SolidWorks. And all the data can be read in from PV ELITE, so properties are imported and accessible, even those properties that the modeling software doesn't care about, but that you may want to put on your drawings. Those engineering properties that are stored in the PV ELITE file can be mapped directly onto the drawings and sketches. You can also provide tables to populate data on drawings automatically.
All right, Geoff. Well, I appreciate that. That's all I really wanted our subscribers to know about why they should reinstate their maintenance for PV ELITE. I think that's good. You gave us a lot.
Yeah, well, if you want, we can talk about how PV ELITE also reads the Caesar 2 nozzle loads in and how that saves engineers time.
I'm sure Mr. Geoff can go a little bit long on this too, but we'll do it at a different time. What was that again? What was that statement again?
Oh, how PV ELITE has the ability to read the nozzle loads on the equipment in from a Caesar 2 analysis file.
Wow, that sounds like another video. So other than that, I appreciate your time. I know I didn't interrupt you, right?
Never.
No, I didn't. All right, so that was our technical advisor, manager, D-man. He knows what he's talking about. And so, hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to look up Mr. Geoff there too as well. And we'll be back again with another episode of Hexagon products. And remember, Hexagon is the leading software solution for all this analysis and all this. Oh, what other stuff? Well, just all kinds of software that we can do, man. Right?
Any kind of stress analysis you'd want to do, along with modeling the physical property for that digital twin as part of your digital transformation story.
Oh, he's using big words. We gotta go. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Creeper.
All right. Okay.